Alright, you are welcome guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to present your Pandas data frame in an interactive HTML report. So let's get started. So we're going to use a package called Pandas Profiling, okay? And here, since we are dealing with pandas, and rather than the conventional pandas that we all know, Pandas Profiling makes it possible to present the conventional Pandas data frame, but this time around in an interactive way. Okay, so I'm going to start by first importing pandas. So I run it. Okay, so the next thing is for you to pip install Pandas Profiling. So you pip install Pandas Profiling. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to do that. So I'll just go right away and import it. So I'm going to write from Pandas Profiling import profile report. Okay, so I'm going to import the profile report from Pandas Profiling, which we are going to use to transform the Pandas data frame into an interactive widget. Okay, all right. So the next thing is to bring in a data set, and I'll be making use of the iris data set that we all know. So pd dot read csv iris run it so we can view it. And that is the popular iris data set that we all know. Okay, so this is a conventional data frame, but we are going to turn this into an interactive one. And also the Pandas Profiling also is going to calculate several things for us, like missing values there, the number of columns there, even to the relationship between columns in graphs, in charts. Okay, so all this will be done interactively. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so file equals to profile reports. And I'm going to enter df, which is our Pandas data frame. So we're going to give it a title. The title will be iris report. Okay, so I'm going to run this, and it's done. So we can now view the interactive output. So it's generating it, as you can see. Okay, good. So right now, wow, so you can see the interactive reports on the iris data sets. This is the overview. This is the overview. You can see the variables. You can see other descriptive statistics here for each of the column in the data sets. And we can also click this variable. Then we can also click on the interactions and check on graphs, like I want to plot sepal length against petal length, and you can see the beautiful graph. That is petal length against sepal width. Yeah, let's try petal width against sepal width, and you can see the graph has changed. Okay, you can also check for correlations, and you can see we have different types of correlations here, computations. So you can check for missing values. So everything is being done interactively, as you can see. All right, great. You can scroll back up again, and okay, so you can see sample, duplicate rows, so it will even show you duplicate rows, missing values, correlations, interactions, graphs, variables, and overview. Okay, all right, so we can still do more. So if I go right here, I can profile this into a widget. So let's do that. So widget. So let's run it. So you can see it's rendering into a widget. Okay, beautiful. So you can see, so this is more compact. So you can see the variables. This is the sepal length, petal length, petal width, and the species. You can check the interactions, like you want to plot sepal width against petal width, and that is the graph, the scatter plots. You can check for correlations. You can use Pearson, you can use Spearman, and these. Okay, very beautiful. You can check for missing values, and that is it. This is the sample. Great. Okay, now we can also go ahead and even save this as an HTML file that we can send to people, or we can even open our browser. You can send it out so that people can open it in their browser, they can look at it. Okay, so let's do that. So file, then let's give it a name, my report .html. So it's going to open as an HTML file in your browser. All right, so I can save it. So it's already saved, as you can see it. I can locate it on my system, my report, and you can see it right here. So I can just go ahead and open it. Okay, so this is it now, a full HTML page showing all the reports of various analyses done on the high-risk data set. You can see, so this report is generated by Pandas Profiling, which is extremely good. So this is the overview, this is the interaction, the graphs again. Okay, this is the missing values, samples. So this is a fully interactive HTML. Okay, so that is it about Pandas Profiling, which is extremely good for rendering your Pandas data frame in an interactive format. Thank you.